Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I've posted anything, but the ongoing court case has got me tied up and it's taking up a lot of my time and effort. Plus we've got winter shut work on at work, so we're working 6 days a week at the moment, so I get one day off. Anyway, what do I do with that one day? Well, last night I got a call from a mate of mine who said that there's a hot rod run on starting in Te Awamutu with the Te Awamutu Hot Rod Custom Club. So I thought, well, check the weather. It wasn't going to rain, and in fact, if you can see the background, it's blue skies. Yes, it may be sunny, but it is a cold sun. It is the middle of winter here in New Zealand. So we grabbed the ute this morning, shot into town, into Hamilton, fueled up because it is LPG. There aren't that many LPG stations around, so you've got to go to the ones that you can, basically. Got up this morning and it was 0 degrees, so she was a little bit chilly. Anyway, so we got to the, went to Te Awamutu, got to the Hot Rod Custom Club's grounds, settled in with them, found out where the mystery tour was going, and we ended up, everyone was going to Te Awamutu. We could stop off at Morrinsville. So we joined in and tottled off to Morrinsville. That's where I parted company. We've come back home because I've got a lot of stuff to do because I only get one day off, as you can imagine. But I did manage to get some video footage of the cars and some still photos. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we had today. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. If you like what you see, by all means hit like and subscribe. I'm going to try and get more and more content. It's just difficult at this time of the year, and I'm afraid I apologise for that. So, hey, anyway, you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you again. Okay, bye-bye.